how to remove a Google account from YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove a Google account from the YouTube app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now these things actually depend upon whether you're using an Android or whether you're using an iOS device, because on iPhone how it works is that now this is not an iPhone, of course this is an Android Samsung phone, but if you are on iOS, if you open the YouTube application, what happens is that when you tap the Google account icon and then you tap the switch account from the YouTube application, you'll find the option at the bottom called use YouTube signed on. That is because iOS doesn't require a Google account to function. It requires your Apple ID. So whether you have a Google account inside the YouTube app or not doesn't really matter. You can use YouTube signed on. But unfortunately for Android users, your Android runs because of Google Play Store, Google account, Google Play services, and so on. Your YouTube is also a Google app. So if you want to remove your Google account from a YouTube app, you have to remove the Google account from your whole Android itself. Yes, that's the only way. So what you might want to do over here is you might want to open the settings application here. Once you open settings, what you want to do is you have to go to this option over here known as accounts and backup. And when you go to accounts and backup, you can go to manage accounts from the very top, select the Google account you would like to remove, tap on remove account, tap on the remove option, and it will sign you out of YouTube, but also of all the other Google applications such as Google Play Store. That's simply how it works for Android users. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.